Are they ready? Is it ready? Their whole idea is to have the design stories. As a designer, they need to understand not only themselves, but their market around them, their audience. I want you to challenge the notion of little black dress. Well, it was quite exciting to come and take level 5 2-week module. I have done that in the past with the other design colleges. Their whole idea is to have the design stories, basically. So students often, what they do is they do not connect what they're designing with words. So my whole concept is to articulate with words what they're designing, to basically to zoom in, to understand what they like, what they don't like, and bring their personal experience into designing. So you guys have to design a little black dress. Does anybody know anything about little black dress? What? Yes. When did it come? Little black dress. You have been given a city, each of you have been given a city and a profession. So you have to dissect those two things. So you need to get into the profession, get into the lifestyle of that person living in that city. Well, I think it was very important to bring that learning which I did it in St. Martin's, to bring it to the students here, design students, because what I see normally, the students here in India, they play very safe. So India has a kind of a very skill-based learning, but not a very concept-based. So these 2 weeks of design project which I took with them was very based on much of concepts.